Here I'm at a new Lowe's out of town from where I'm normally at, and they have a flyer at the front door showing the Lowe's deals that started on March 20th and run until April 2nd. So I'll just kind of go through some of these. Like it looks like on the Ego, you get a free battery with the purchase of a select power tool. The battery that's free is a 2.5 amp hour battery. It's a $179 value. It's when you buy either the 56 volt 16 inch string trimmer or the 765 CFM brushless leaf blower. One of those two, you get the free battery. And if you buy the $699 mower, you actually get a 5 amp hour battery for free. That's a $299 value there. And they have some other deals on some lawn and garden stuff. And then as well as looks like a Greenworks power washer for $199. That's saving $50 there. It's a 1.2 gallon a minute, 2100 psi for $199. And they have, it looks like Cobalt, the 40 volt brushless blower and trimmer combo kit for $169 for the member price. So you have to be a member of the My Lowe's Rewards or the My Pro Rewards. Otherwise the non-member price is for $279. So it's definitely worth signing up. It's free to do. They have a deal going on with this Titan 1900 Pro electric stationary airless paint sprayer. They have it on sale, limited time deal for only $399, and it was $449. That's saving $50 there. This deal is only valid until March 28th though, so better hurry for that. And they have other deals on other paint sprayers as well that are also Titan brand. They have this one that's like a backpack sprayer. It runs on an 18 volt battery, and it says it's high efficient airless. Comes with a T2 spray gun. They have this also on a deal at $599. It was $649. Can't really see the sign because they have it behind the jail cage here, and that is also going to expire on it also expires on the 28th as well. Then they have another option here too. It's the Titan Control Max 1700 series. It's an electric stationary airless paint sprayer for $299, and it was $349. And it's also valid until the 28th. They have a clearance deal on the Cobalt 11-piece 12-point combo wrench set for $29.67. It was $34.98, so you're saving $5 there. This is the metric one. They have also on clearance a 25-foot compact tape measure that has a 15-foot reach. They have that on clearance for $17.57. And then the other wrench set, this is also metric. So the other one must be SAE, but they have it in the wrong spot. But it's also $29.67 for that. And they have a Cobalt 50-piece drive bit set, offering a variety of bits and nut drivers for only $15.97, and it was $19.98. And they have some different deals on the Jorgensen clamps here. The 48-inch one they have for $44.98, and it was $49. And then the 24-inch one, they have it priced at $39.98, and it was $44.98, so saving $5. Be sure to check your store for the tool clearance section that they have here on the end cap on this one. I'll start off here. They have the Flex. It's a 24 volt brushless impact driver. They have that on clearance for $149. It was $199. They have a good deal here on this Bosch circular saw. It's the Pro Factor 18 volt one. They have this on clearance for $99, and it was $229. That's a great deal. And then they have from DeWalt, just like they had at the other store that I showed last week or a couple weeks ago. They have the different cutters that go on attached to an impact wrench or the impact driver. You can cut with this one either the PVC or PEX pipe. They have that on clearance for $89. It was $129. And they have the other one here that you could do copper pipe from 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch cuts with that for $89. It was $119. And they have a DeWalt deal here for $199. You get the Power Detect grinder with a 8 amp hour battery and the fast charger and bag for $199. It was $329. They have a couple of them here. That's a great deal, especially considering that the fast charger by itself is normally priced around like $120 or so. So for $199, you're getting the battery and the grinder. They have this Bosch 7-piece reciprocating saw blade set here. They have it on a special limited time deal for $9.98, and it was $14.98. They have a clearance deal on this DeWalt 4-tool combo kit. And the tools that it includes is a drill, impact driver, flashlight, and an oscillating tool. Looks like 2 batteries and a charger. They have that on clearance for $249. It was $319. They have the DeWalt 4.5-inch, 5-inch angle grinder. It's the tool only on clearance for $112.07. It was $249. This is a brushless one. And also on clearance, they have another one that's that power detect tool only for $161, and it was $249. So it's definitely better to go with the same one that's on clearance for $199 to get that 8 amp hour battery and the fast charger. It's an excellent deal there. They have a couple deals on the Bosch systems here. They have the Bosch 18 volt 8 amp hour starter kit on clearance for $99. It used to be $229. They have it empty in this spot, but right next to it they do have a starter kit, the two 4 amp hour batteries for $149. It was $179. And then also a special limited time deal they have for $149. It's the Bosch 18 volt 2-tool combo kit. It's the drill and impact driver for $149, and it was $199. They have a limited time deal on this DeWalt 20 volt 2-gallon wet dry vacuum. It is priced at $99, and it was $159, saving $60. And they actually have that deal until March 28th. I have the older version of this that takes both the 20 volt and 18 volt one. So that definitely came out years ago when they were doing that transition of the 18 volt to 20 volt platform. It's a great vacuum. Imagine this newer one does even better. It's not bad for 99 bucks. It does come with a couple different attachments. It does have a crevice tool that stores in up here. They have a spot for a rip fence for circular saws on clearance for $437. It was $10.98, but it's empty here, so maybe at your store they might have them. And here again is they have the Flex 1/2-inch impact wrench, tool only on limited time deal at $129. It was $179. And they're still doing these deals here on the Bosch nailers. It's when you buy the select Bosch nailer for one of these prospective prices for the different ones, then you get, it's your choice of either the 4 amp hour 2-pack for free, that's a $179 value, or the 4 amp hour battery starter kit that includes the one battery and charger, that's a $149 value. So again, you buy one of these nailers, then you get one of those two options for free. They have a deal going on with this spider door lock installation kit. It allows you to drill the holes in the door, and it looks like the jamb, so you're able to set the locks at the certain height and depth that you need to. So they have this on as a deal for only $34.98, and it was $49.98. And they have also for a deal for this skill set that's a 120 piece screw bit set. It has some drill bits as well and a couple of spade bits. They have this deal priced at $24.98, and it was $29.98. And they have some more good deals going on with the Bosch. For $99, they have the cutout tool for the drywall. It was $139. On clearance, they have the 18 volt oscillating bare tool for only 79 bucks. It was $159. Also special limited time deal, they have the bare impact wrench. It is the 1/2-inch one. And they have that price at $149, and it was $229. And they have the palm router by Bosch, priced at $149 when it was $219. Good deals here. Also on the drywall screw gun, priced at $99. It was $159. And for $99, which I showed on the other side here, they have that 8 amp hour Pro Factor battery starter pack kit on clearance for $99 when it was $229. If you're liking this video so far, I would appreciate it that you give it a thumbs up, as it really does help the channel. They have different Irwin crowbars, wrecking bars on clearance. For example, they have this one that's a 42-inch one on clearance for $16.77 when it used to be almost 24 bucks there for a 42-inch one. They have a 36-inch one wrecking bar, only saving a couple bucks there, $19.77. And then they have an 18-inch one on clearance for $12.57. It was $17.98. Looks like they brought in some Klein Tools wrecking bars. Maybe that's what their replacement's going to be. Looks pretty nice with nice like rubber grips to them. They have this Dremel 6-piece oscillating tool on clearance for only $17.49. It was $49.98. These are the blades that it comes with. And you're able to cut into wood, PVC, thin metal, copper, steel, nail embedded wood. That's a good price at only 18 bucks. They have some deals with the Craftsman 20 volt. Your choice of $79. You can select from the Sawzall, the grinder, or the 4 amp hour pack with the battery charger for $79 there. It's saving up to $60 there. Then they have your choice of a circular saw, a drill, or impact driver for $99. That's saving up to 40 bucks there. And they have this deal running until April 16th. And they have a deal on this Craftsman 140-piece screw bit set. It has a variety of screw bits as well as drill bits, nut drivers. Looks like it's a good all-around little kit to have. It's in a nice hard case. They have this on a special value at $39.98. It was $44.98. Even though you're only saving $5 there, I think it's a good kit for that price regardless. All right, that's going to conclude this week's tool deals at those different lows. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.